Kowalski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a hormone smoothie. I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to put about half a tray of almond cubes in. You guys know, again, I tell everybody, buy unsweetened almond milk, freeze it in ice cube trays, stick it in here, put it in your freezer, you're good to go. Now I'm going to add a cup of almond milk. Just about every one of my recipes calls for a cup of almond milk and 2 tablespoons of sweetie. You can always add egg white protein powder to this to add protein, okay? And now I'm going to take my hormone balancing keto balm. I don't have I need a spoon. Give me a second. I would use my finger, but it's kind of gross. I'm going to put my entire hormone balm in here, okay? I hate wasting anything. There we go. And we are going to blend this and try it. So if it's hard for you to eat your whole hormone balm, this is an easier way for you to get it in. Look at that. Wow, it looks amazing. Pour it out. I got a bunch of customers here waiting to try it, so let me taste it just before I give it away. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. It tastes like a hormone balm smoothie. So if you like the hormone bombs, again, this is just another way that you can have them. Okay, guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching. You see it right there. Come visit us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, you can always go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and look at more recipes and more ways to be healthy, eat healthy. Look at testimonies. Binge watch the recipe book videos. Do whatever you got to do to get healthy, okay? Thanks for watching. God bless you.